Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises for muscle gain. Many people create goals for themselves, such as doing 100 push-ups every day for 30 days and seeing fantastic results. But what happens if you embark on this challenge of performing push-ups every day? Will it help you get a complete makeover and gain lots of muscles? All of these questions will be addressed in this video, so stay tuned till the very end of this video. The first aspect to mention is the growth of target muscle groups. First, let's talk about chest muscles. A lot of articles on the internet say that you can see big changes in your chest muscles in just 30 days. Also, their arms, deltoids, and triceps got stronger. It may seem strange, but the forearms and biceps are muscles that work against each other. And now you may ask, in what way do the arms and triceps work together? The triceps is responsible for the extension of the arm at the elbow, the same effort that we make during push-ups. The biceps, which usually flex the arm at the elbow, and this exercise has another function. The task of the biceps in push-ups is to bring the shoulder to the corpus. Push-up is a multi-joint basic exercise that pumps half of the upper body. Push-ups increase endurance. In addition to the changes you can see in the mirror, you will also be able to handle more load. In other words, it will be easier for you to do more exercises. These changes will make your respiratory and circulatory systems work better. Endorphins will also rise in your body, which is a good thing because endorphins are responsible for your moods, hence you'll feel better. The risk of pushing to the limit. Is it a good idea to do daily push-ups until you drop? If someone sets a goal to do 100 push-ups a day after doing them very rarely before, they need to start slow and go easy on their bodies. So you should not do push-ups every day until exhaustion. This can cause you to become overly trained. This will also cause a lot more catabolic hormones to be released, and the muscles won't have time to fully heal. The push-up is a pretty hard workout. It can quickly switch to anaerobic mode, and for the same muscle group, staying in this mode for too long is called overload. You should only do 80% of your best when you push up. Pushing above that, as I said earlier, will cause overtraining. But if you stick to a healthy limit and think of daily push-ups more as a part of our morning workout, you will see a lot of benefits. Your heart and legs will be very toned. Your arms, shoulders, and chest will be much bigger, tighter, stronger, and more flexible than the average person your age if you do this every day. For your heart, blood flow, and lungs, it will also be great. Now let's see how to do a push-up correctly. First, you need to pay attention to where your hip is. You need to feel your body. It should be flat like a straight line. Your head and bottom shouldn't stick out. The 90-degree rule is mandatory, and that is when you have your arms at a right angle to your body, when you lower and when you extend your arms. It needs to be almost all the way up. Hold your breath, look at the floor, and keep your head straight. There are different ways to do push-ups. You can do push-ups on your hands or your palms. Putting your feet on something higher will make your push-ups harder if you want to make the workout a bit more challenging. People who complete the challenge of doing 100 push-ups every day say it's not hard to do that many. But doing 100 push-ups every day is really hard. And there will be a crucial moment when you are facing a mental turning point. That's why it's best to break that number up into several smaller sets. In conclusion, don't try to do 100 push-ups every day. Instead, do at least 20 push-ups every day, spread out over several sets, and gradually increase the volume of reps. I've seen videos on the internet where people do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days and then show huge improvements. But you'll get better results and keep your health better if you don't overtrain and give your body time to heal. So will you do the push-up challenge? Please tell me in the comments how many push-ups you can do in one set. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.